So we were lucky enough to secure an Alumni and Friends Fund grant in 2022 for our veterinary anatomy drawing project. This project provides an informal, relaxed space for veterinary and bioveterinary students to draw or paint anatomical specimens. We provide the space, the specimens and all the art equipment, meaning that all the students have to do is turn up and draw something. So what have we been up to in the last few months? Well, we staged an exhibition of work in April 2023. This was a real highlight for the students because they were able to share their work within the wider community, also encouraged other students to come along, have a look at what goes on in these classes, and we've had some new attendees as a result of that. We were lucky enough to have representatives from the Alumni and Friends Fund and also staff and students from our department and other departments. This also led to a spotlight feature on the university website, which highlighted the support that we've had from the Alumni and Friends Fund. We continued to run the drawing sessions throughout the 2022-2023 and this current academic year, 23-24, and these classes have been attended by some new first-year students as well as our previous attendees, so word is getting out that this is available. The other thing we did was host a workshop for the Merseyside Young Health and Life Scientists. These are Year 10 students who come along and do a programme of work with the University of Liverpool as part of a widening participation initiative, so it was very nice to have them along and show them a little bit of what we do. We also showcased this project at the Anatomical Society annual conference. So Faye presented a poster there just highlighting the benefits of these drawing classes for students, both in terms of their learning and their knowledge of anatomy, but also the well-being effects that this has. We also took the project to VetEd, which is an international symposium for veterinary educators. Again, highlighting the benefits of running a class like this, and we asked members of staff to have a go, which was great fun at the end of a busy conference, a really nice relaxed session for those staff, and hopefully has sparked some interest in other schools in terms of running their own workshops. So how has the grant helped us? Well, it's allowed us to future-proof the project. We've built up a really good supply of art materials, and this means that the class is free for the students and also that it will remain so for the following year. The grant also allowed us to provide some refreshments for our exhibition, which did make it feel quite special, and then mount the artwork professionally as well. So it was a nice experience for those students. So we'd just like to say thank you again. The support from this fund has been really, really invaluable in allowing us to continue to provide this opportunity for students. And we've achieved what we set out to when we initially applied. What we were hoping to do was to build up a supply of art materials in order to allow us to provide these classes for free. And we also were really keen that the students would get an opportunity to showcase their work in the wider university community. So we've set out to do those things. We've achieved both those things and more. And this is largely in part thanks to the funding that we received. So thank you again for your very generous support of this project.